In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and fill out your company profile details within your account settings. Getting these details right is crucial as it helps present a complete and professional representation of your business. It's useful not only for internal purposes, but also for ensuring that any external parties accessing your profile have the most accurate and up-to-date information about your company. Let's get started by navigating to the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your dashboard. It typically resembles a small cogwheel symbolizing settings. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu with various options tailored to your account configuration needs. From here, you need to click on Account and Settings. This section is essentially the control center for your user profile and company-related settings. It consolidates all the essential elements you need to manage how your company is represented and operates within the platform. Once inside the Account and Settings area, you'll see several tabs or sections on the left side. What we're looking for today is the Company tab. Go ahead and select that option. This section is centralized to cater to all company profiles and related details. Now, you're in the company details portion of the settings. This is where you'll enter the core details about your business. Start by filling out the company name field. Double check the spelling and accuracy since this is a primary identifier for your business. Next, proceed to the address field. Make sure you enter your company's address, ensuring it reflects your main business location. In cases where your company has multiple locations, you typically include the headquarters here. The address should be entered precisely, comprising street name, city, state, and zip code. Continuing down the list, you might encounter fields for contact information. This could include the business phone number and email address. Providing accurate contact information is crucial as it ensures potential clients and partners can reach your business with ease. There's also an option to add a website URL. If your company has an official website, plugging the URL into this field is highly recommended. It gives anyone accessing your profile a direct link to more comprehensive information about your company. You'll want to pay attention to any other fields that are relevant to your specific business setup. There might be options for industry type, business type, or other custom fields unique to the platform you're using. Filling these out can enhance your profile's completeness and ensure that you're leveraging all available features. Once you've added all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything. Ensuring correctness at this point prevents future hassles and misrepresentations of your company's identity. After confirming all the details are accurate, go ahead and save your changes. This may involve clicking a Save button usually located at the bottom or the top of the page. And that's it. You've successfully updated your company profile details, setting the stage for a more professional and organized online presence. Remember, keeping these details current is just as important as initial setup, so revisit this section regularly to make any necessary adjustments as your business evolves. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.